Hello everyone, I'm back with another video of Indus Valley Civilization, and today also we will discuss the rest of the MCQs which are very important from the exam point of view. Alright, so without any further delay, let's get started. So first question, Mohenjo-daro is situated in which district? So options are first Larkana, second Montgomery, third is Balochistan and fourth is Sindh. तो मोहनजोदारो कहाँ सिचुएटेड है? मोहनजोदारो सिचुएटेड है लरकाना डिस्ट्रिक्ट में. ऑल राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन वॉज नॉन आर्यन बिकॉज फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इट वॉज एन अर्बन सिविलाइजेशन, यह एक शहरी सिविलाइजेशन थी. सेकेंड, इट हैज़ इट्स ओन स्क्रिप्ट. थर्ड, इट हैज़ एन एग्रीकल्चर इकोनॉमी. फोर्थ, it extended up to Narmada Valley. So we all know that the Indus Valley civilization was an urban civilization. ये एक शहरी सभ्यता थी, तो यही इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा. एंड वन मोर थिंग कि जो आर्यंस थे उनकी जो सभ्यता थी वो ग्रामीण सभ्यता थी. ओके, सो दिस वॉज द रीज़न दैट इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन वॉज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द आर्यंस. या नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नाउ, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग साइट इज नोन एज माउंट्स ऑफ द डेड? सो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन हरप्पा, सेकेंड मोहनजोदारो, थर्ड इज रोपड़ एंड द फोर्थ इज कालीबंगा. सो मोहनजोदारो इज़ द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस. इसे मोहनजोदारो को मृतकों का टीला भी कहा जाता है. ऑल राइट. द पीपल, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द पीपल ऑफ इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन ऑफन बिल्ट देयर हाउसेज फ्रॉम फर्स्ट स्टोन, second paved bricks, third wood and fourth is all of the above. So I told you just in the previous slide कि जो इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन थी वो एक शहरी सभ्यता थी. तो अगर वो एक शहरी सभ्यता थी तो वहाँ पे जो मकान और जो हाउसेस वहाँ पे होते थे वो ऑब्वियसली एक शहरी पद्धति पे शहर में इस्तेमाल होने वाली जो चीज़ें हैं उन्हीं से बनेंगी. सो ऑब्वियसली ये किससे बनी थी? पेव्ड ब्रिक्स से, एंड नॉट ऑल ऑफ द अबव. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन फॉर दिस इज पेव्ड bricks. All right, that is burnt bricks. Yeah. So moving on to the next slide. Fifth question is the source of the knowledge about Harappa culture is first rock edicts, second writing in terracotta seals, third archaeological excavations, fourth all of the above. So the answer for this is archaeological excavations. तो जो आर्कियोलॉजिकल एक्सकेवेशंस की जाती थी, जो खुदाई की जाती थी, उन्हीं के थ्रू हमें हरप्पन कल्चर के बारे में पता चला है. सो दिस वॉज द मेजर सोर्स ऑफ नॉलेज अबाउट द हरप्पा. Next slide. The Harappa coins were mainly made up of which metal? Terracotta, copper, bronze and iron. So Harappan coins were basically made up of terracotta. Yeah. So the next option, which of the following era was the Harappan civilization era? So first option is Bronze Age, second is Neolithic Age, third Paleolithic Age and the fourth is Iron Age. So the era of the Harappan civilization is the Bronze Age. That is कांस्युगीन सभ्यता. तो इसे कांस्युगीन सभ्यता भी कहते हैं. All right. Next question, in which year was Harappan site discovered? So Harappan site was discovered in the year 1921. Okay. Next question, question number 9. The beginning of idol worship is to be considered in first pre-Aryan period, second Vedic period, third modern period or the fourth Kushan period. So the evidences of the beginning of idol has been found during the pre-Aryan period. Okay. Okay, now the question number 10. Which one of the following animal was not represented on the seals and terracotta art of Harappan culture? First cow, second elephant, third rhinoceros and fourth is tiger. So here the correct option is cow. That is, cow has not been represented on the seals and terracotta art. Next question. Question number 11. Indus Valley civilization is known for first for its town planning, for its industrialization, third for their agriculture work and fourth is all of the above. So here the correct answer is all of the above. Yes, so Indus civilization was an urban civilization. It had a very good town planning. It was known for its industrialization. There were a lot of trade. बहुत सारी व्यापार जो हैं वो तरह तरह की वस्तुओं में इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन में होती थी. और वहाँ इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन अपने एग्रीकल्चर वर्क के लिए भी बहुत ज़्यादा जाना जाता था. सो हियर द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑल ऑफ द अबव. ओके. Moving on to next question, that is question number 10. Which site of Indus Valley is now in Pakistan? Kalibangan, Harappa, Lothal and Aramgirpur. So we all know that कि हरप्पा जो है वो अब पाकिस्तान का हिस्सा है. So the correct option here is option number 2, Harappa. 13. Harappan civilization, Lothal is located in first Gujarat, second Punjab, third Rajasthan, fourth Sindh. So yeah, Lothal is located in Gujarat, and Lothal was also the port site of the Indus Valley civilization. We have already discussed in the previous part of this video. Okay, question number 14. Mohenjo-daro is situated in which of the following? First, Gujarat state of India. Second, Punjab state of India. Third, Sindh province in Pakistan. Fourth, Afghanistan. So Mohenjo-daro is situated in the Sindh province in Pakistan. And which district? So the district is Larkana. I already told you in previous questions. Yeah. So question number 15, the first metal used by men was first gold, second copper, third silver and fourth iron. So here the correct option is copper. Now one more question. Was iron known to the people of Indus Valley civilization? So the answer will be no. Iron was not yet discovered. Okay, now was silver known to the people of the Indus Valley civilization? So the answer will be yes. There has been found the evidences of silver also in the Indus Valley civilization. Yeah. See, one more thing. This question was asked in IAS pre examination, that whether silver was known to the people of Indus Valley civilization or not. So I told you this. Yeah, it was very important. After this, moving on to the next question, that is Dholavira is located in state of Gujarat, Haryana, Punjab or Rajasthan. So Dholavira is located in the state of Rajasthan. After this, the 17th question, remains of which animal have not been discovered in the Indus Valley civilization? First, lion, second, horse, third, cow, fourth, elephant. So here the correct option is lion. That is, the remain of lion has not been discovered in the Indus Valley civilization. That means the lion was not known to the people of Indus Valley civilization. Question number 18, which of the following civilization flourished on the banks of river Nile? So first option Roman civilization, second Indus Valley civilization, third Greek civilization and fourth Egyptian civilization. So we all know that Egypt is the gift of Nile. So obviously the answer will be Egyptian civilization. Question number 19, the remains of horse has been found from which of the following sites? First Dholavira, second Lothal, third Surkotida and fourth is Kalibangan. So the evidences of horse remains have been found from Surkotida. Moving to the next question, the evidence of bangle factory has been found from Harappa, Kalibangan, Ropar and Rangpur. So बैंगल दैट इज चूड़ी बनाने की कारखाने, इनका एविडेंस पाया गया है कालीबंगन से. सो द आंसर इज कालीबंगन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 21, द ब्रॉन्ज स्टैचू ऑफ डांसर हैज़ बीन फाउंड फ्रॉम. तो नर्तकी की मूर्ति, नर्तकी ओके कांस्य नर्तकी की मूर्ति कहाँ से पाई गई है? राखीगढ़ी, मोहनजोदारो, धोलावीरा या लोथल. सो यहाँ पे करेक्ट ऑप्शन होगा ऑप्शन नंबर 2 मोहनजोदारो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द स्क्रिप्ट ऑफ हरप्पन वैली सिविलाइजेशन इज संस्कृत, खरोस्ती, प्राकृत और पिक्टोग्राफिक. सो I told you in the previous part of this video also that the script of the Harappan Valley civilization has yet not been deciphered. Okay, it has not been deciphered. That means we are having the evidences, we are having the scripts, but still we are not able to decode it. And pictographic is the correct option. That is, although we don't know about the script of the Harappan Valley civilization, but what we know is that they were in the pictographic form. All right. So after this, question number 23, Mohenjo-daro was discovered in which year? 1920, 1921, 1922 and 1922, 23. So remember question number, option number 3 is the correct option, that is 1922. In 1921, what was discovered? Harappa was discovered. Yeah. Now, the next question, who were believed to be the primary residents of Indus Valley civilization? First, Dravidians and Mediterraneans, second, Egyptians, थर्ड मेसोपोटामियंस, फोर्थ नन ऑफ द अबव. सो यहाँ पे जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन होगा वो द्रविडियन एंड मेडिटेरेनियन. सो दिस पीपल were believed to be the primary residents of the Indus Valley civilization. Yes, now moving on to the next question, and this is the last question for today. The earliest evidence of cotton cultivation was found in first Egypt, second Greece, third India and fourth China. So here definitely the correct option is India. So yeah, this is it for today, and we will be meeting in the next video of ancient history series. Till then, be safe, and those who have not watched the previous video, that is the previous part 1 of the Indus Valley civilization, please go and watch that video. All right, and if you liked this session, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, stay tuned. Goodbye.